Hi everyone, I'm Amir Pandey. This project's name is the CO2 converter. It's not for growing air quality in a large scale. Me and my teammates made this project. Think that the black smoke released from vehicles didn't pollute our air, but instead it is turned into ink and paint. Turning a global hazard into a creative opportunity. Why just reduce emissions when you can recycle them? And this project emphasizes taking action against pollution and giving a solution for air pollution. This project works like when the vehicle moves, the sensor senses the cars or vehicle and gives signal to the tip that to PNP transistor, which then gives power to the power unit, and this power unit gives power to the relay. And this relay takes power from the 4-volt battery, and this relay gives it to the motor, and this motor runs and absorbs the polluted air coming out from the car. And this air filter filters the polluted air and stores particulate matter, etc. This project can make India into Green India in the future and help next generation survive with a healthy environment.
Prevents various diseases like lung cancer, asthma attack, and even more diseases. It is helpful for common people.
This project can make India into Green India in the future. It can make the whole nose and their nose are even smaller. After converted to ink powder, the ink powder can be converted into ink or paint. Thank you.
Mithun is doing post survey. சரி அதில் பண்ணு நான் இதில் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் நான் உனக்கு இதில் பண்ணுறேன் என்ன பண்ணுறேன் உனக்கு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நானே பண்ணுங்க ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்